Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we are back with another Hot Wheel case unboxing, and we have the Case B for 2024, and we're about to bust that open. But right before we do, I do want to mention that I am giving away this Lego set with the Fast and the Furious Skyline GTR with the little Paul Walker sitting inside, little minifigure. So if you want to get entered to win this giveaway, there's going to be a link in the description down below. Hop onto my merch store. Whenever you make a purchase, you automatically get entered into this giveaway. I do have a rules tab. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there as well. And there's a lot of different Hot Wheels from mainline, premium, RLC, as well as monster trucks, and so much more. So definitely go check it out. And a lot of the cars from this case in this video are probably going to be on my website because I do put a lot of the duplicates on there as well, and much of the ones that I'm not really a huge fan of, so the ones I don't plan on collecting or racing on the 6-lane raceway, which a lot of those I already have kind of opened up. But we are going to go ahead and bust open into this case. So let me go ahead and carefully lay it down on its side. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and cut this thing open. But like I said, link in description down below. Hop onto my merch store. I also have products on there for my main channel as well. So other kind of automotive type products. But definitely go check it out. But we're going to go ahead and get this case opened up. And go ahead and get started with this case unboxing video. Let me kind of get it out of the frame, but you can still kind of see it. Alright, let's start right up on top. And let's see. Alright, so what we have here is the new Ford GT40, the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT, and the Tony Hawk Skate Grom. Alright, we have a Max Steel, a 72 Stingray convertible, and a Tesla Model Y. Ooh, okay. So we have a custom auto, and this is actually the Hot Wheel Legends Tour winner. It is the Mazda AutoZam, and that thing looks really cool. It is like a K-truck, but obviously with giant wheels, all jacked up, and also new for 2024. And then on the back, it does have like a little picture there in the top of like the actual one. And we have the highly sought after Honda Civic Si in gold with like that carbon fiber hood look, and that's absolutely crazy, and everybody's freaking out about this one right now. And honestly, the card on this is also really nice, so I'm happy that this isn't damaged or anything because it does look pretty cool. It would be nice to add this on the 6-lane raceway. I don't want to do anything to, like, I don't want to open it up or anything unless I get one that's like super damaged or a cracked blister, but I'm going to keep it in the package because I know a lot of people like to collect those and I don't want to destroy like that collector value. But we have next the Corvette C6, 72 Greenwood Corvette. It's got 3 different Corvettes so far in this case, and then the Honda CB750 Cafe. Alright, so we have the Ford Escort RS 2000, the Monster High Ghoulmobile, and the Nissan Patrol Custom. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab the next 3 cars. We have the Shark Bite, which is kind of interesting because there are like little tabs on the front wheels and actually hits little levers, so as it rolls, the mouth actually opens and closes. We have the Lolux in a new color, and a really cool Batmobile. And this is from Batman vs. Superman. Looks pretty cool. Next 3 cars we have, we actually got some pretty cool ones here. So we got the Nissan Skyline RS. This is the R30, and it also has a really cool paint that's kind of like a pinkish purple. And when the light hits it just right, there's almost like a little blue kind of reflection. We have a 70 Plymouth Barracuda, and then a 1956 Corvette from the Barbie movie, and this is the gray one with the flames on it. Alright, so we have the Proton Saga, which is a pretty cool new for 2024. Then we have another Shark Bite, and a Volvo XC40 Recharge. Alright, so we have a Mod Speeder, a limited grip, which is pretty cool. and a loopster, which you can actually take multiple of these, hook them together, and make a giant roller coaster train if you guys want to. And you can even put it on a track with multiple at once as well. I have tried it. We have a runway rescue, a Mighty K in a cool new color, and another Batmobile. All right, we have the Fiat 500e, a Surf's Up, and an El Segundo Coupe, which actually looks pretty cool. New color variation on that, and a pretty cool looking theme. And right here we have the Brick and Motor, which looks pretty cool. It's kind of like the Bone Shaker, but the Mega version. A Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, which I actually really like that in yellow. And then a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. And that was the first half of the case. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the divider here, and we can get to the bottom half of the case. We have not got the treasure hunt or super treasure hunt yet, but there still could be one in here because the super treasure hunt's actually a Camaro, and we have not seen a Camaro yet, so we did not find the regular version or the super. So I'm really hoping that we did get it in this case, but we will find out. All right, we have another Proton Saga, another Brick and Motor, and a 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. All right, we have another Runway Rescue, another Fiat 500e, and another 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Alright, so then we have the Road Bandit, a Ford Escort RS 2000, and another Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Alright, a 1976 Greenwood Corvette, a Drift and Brake, and a Ford GT40. I just realized we've actually had like 4 different like variations of Corvettes in this case. 4 or 5. And we have the 87 Dodge D100, which actually looks pretty cool. Another 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, and another Monster High Ghoulmobile. Oh, okay, so we actually got the treasure hunt. So it's the Ain't Fair, which is actually a pretty cool treasure hunt. And right there, I don't know if you can see the little round treasure hunt logo. I did notice that the top of the card is a little damaged, so that's actually really disappointing that that's in that condition. But we did get the regular treasure hunt, and honestly, I think that looks really cool. I just realized the bottom of the card also kind of took a hit. So that's honestly too bad that that's damaged. I may or may not actually open this up and put on the 6-lane raceway. So definitely let me know down in the comments down below if I should do that. Kind of debating on it, and since the card is damaged in multiple spots, I'm not going to put it on my website or anything, but that might actually be pretty cool for the 6-lane raceway. But also, I just realized we found the Camaro, but the regular version. So it's the 2018 Camaro SS, and this would have been the Super Treasure Hunt if the Super would have been in this case. But as you can see, that is just the regular version. And that would have been awesome if we could have got the Super in here as well, but we did not. But there's still some pretty awesome cards. Let's go ahead and continue to move on. We got a Max Steel. All right, we got a Drift and Brake, Audi RS e-tron GT, and one of my favorites is the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor with the HKS kind of livery on there, and that looks absolutely amazing. I know I recently actually found one of these in a store, put it on the 6-lane raceway, and it honestly kind of surprised me. So definitely go check out some of those videos after this one. But yeah, let's see these next ones. Okay, that's why it was kind of weird trying to grab that out. With the Tesla Model Y, another custom auto, and the USS Enterprise MCC 1701. Obviously, the Star Trek ship. All right, we have a Ford F-150 Lightning Custom in red. We have a Humvee, which actually looks pretty cool. It's kind of more simplistic. It's like a Nardo gray color, and it says Tactical Response on the side. And then we have a Zinger 20C, or 21C. All right, so we have a Punk Rod, which looks pretty cool. But we have a Hot Wheel Braille Racer Twin Mill. And this is one where the actual package has the braille on it. You can kind of see it there. And it's also all over the car, so it has braille on the top, each side, and the bottom, which actually that's really cool. And this is for World Braille Day. I think that's really awesome that Hot Wheels did that. And I believe it says like Braille Racer on like in the braille. So I think that's such a cool idea. And then we have another Mazda AutoZam. Alright, so we have a Batmobile, a Mod Speeder, and a Croc Rod, which is actually kind of... There we go. You see that a little bit. And the final three cars for the case. Ooh, okay. So we have a Volkswagen T2 pickup, which looks really cool. I really like that and how it looks. A Hot Wheels High, and another Volvo XC40 Recharge. And this one actually kind of took a hit there. The corners are pretty beat up, and it was in the bottom corner of the case. But yeah, we actually got some pretty cool cars in this case unboxing. Like I said, we did snag that treasure hunt, which I think looks pretty cool. Unfortunately, it is damaged, so that's actually pretty disappointing. And we did not get the Super, but I do have a lot more cases coming, a lot more videos coming, a lot more unboxings. Some of these I will be opening up. I might be adding this to that kind of opening and adding to my collection for the 6-lane raceway. So definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think I should do with that one. Also, like I said, a lot of these duplicates will be on my merch store. There's going to be that link in the description down below. Go check it out. And every Hot Wheel does come in wrapped in bubble wrap and like actually shipped out in a brand new sturdy box. So definitely go check it out. But if you guys did like this video, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and a bunch of other Hot Wheel videos and some other collectible videos. But as always, thank you for watching.